Aiden, are you on the computer? Wow.
Wow.
You're typing a message to Mommy. Yeah. Is it going to Mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's good.
Do you have anything to say to Mommy? You want to say hi?
Hi, Mama.
Ah, that's nice.
Can you say, I love you, Mama? Can you say, I love you, Mama?
Hi.
Airplane.
Airplane?
Mm.
Oh, that's a nice.
Daddy has a little beard.
You petting Daddy's beard? Is he all stubbly?
Dad?
Yes, Daddy's whiskers, just like the horse had whiskers. Remember? The horse had a few whiskers, and the kitty cat has whiskers, and Dookie has whiskers. Yes.
Whiskers, yes. Tess has whiskers too.
But Granny doesn't. No whiskers. Mommy doesn't. Grandpa does.
You gonna say bye, Mama?
Bye, Mama. Bye, Mama.
Bye.